What's up guys, it's Ed back again from TechSource and welcome to the budget build for the month of February. This is Budtron, the $350 gaming PC that can run GTA 5 in ultra settings. Like all my budget builds on the channel, there will be a build guide showing you step by step on how to build this exact same PC and how to install a fresh copy of Windows. Also, for the first time ever, I will now show you guys how to overclock the PCs in all of my build guides, so definitely leave a like if you're excited to see that. You guys can also find the links to all of the parts I used for this build down below in the description section. So this PC is running on an Intel G3258, which I overclocked to 4.3 GHz, and I paired it with the Zotac GeForce GTX 750 Ti and 8GB of RAM. For the motherboard, I went with the Asus H81MA Micro ATX, and for storage, I chose 1TB of hard drive space from Seagate as usual. I could have gone with 430 watts from EVGA, but for $5 more, I decided to upgrade to 500 watts instead, because why not? And I packed everything inside the Roseville FBM01 mini tower case, which is quite possibly the ugliest case known to mankind. But for only 30 bucks, it was an easy choice. I did leave links down below for optional parts like an SSD, an aftermarket cooler, and even options for beefier graphics cards for those of you that want a little more power. For temperatures, the cores hover around 54 degrees on idle and jump to a stable 60 degrees during gaming, which is actually pretty good considering it's on a stock cooler. For benchmarks, it scored a 3839 on Firestrike, and you guys can see where it stacks up against my other budget builds on the channel. It's exactly where it should be. For editing, it managed to render out a 60-second 4K video file in a little over 10 minutes, which isn't that great to be honest. I mean, it does have 2 cores after all, so I wouldn't really recommend this PC for editing. It's more aimed towards gaming. Alright, so what can $350 get you in terms of gaming? Well, let's take a look. So that's it for the benchmarks. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I love doing these monthly PC builds, and if you guys enjoy watching them, then make sure to leave a like, as it does help me out a ton. I've already gathered parts for my next PC build, which is going to be inside of an ITX case. a mini ITX case, I should say. And you guys can follow me on Twitter and Instagram if you want sneak peeks. But that's it. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.